And here we are, AEO Copilot. Thank you so much for signing up. And right now, if you click just right here, you should be able to generate the Webflow data. So the Webflow data are just a way for me to already put on your app some information, some data, and so we can just go through it together and you will better understand it, what the app is about. Because as you can see, the app is about increasing AI visibility or answer engine visibility, and all those data will be helpful for us to navigate the AEO revolution. So first, what we need to understand is the difference between what we used to have in SEO. In SEO, we have something called Google Search Console, which is very, very good, and I like to compare to a GPS. With AEO, it's a little bit different. We have tools like AEO Copilot, and they are more acting like a compass. So they are not as precise, as guided as Search Console, and they just give us some hints on how do we navigate the answer engine game. And for that, we have 3 levels of analysis. First is on the brand level. So here, for example, for my dashboard, you can see on the brand level how Webflow is performing, and it's pretty good. And if you don't fully understand all those data, you can always export result to LLMs and just paste that in ChatGPT. And once we are looking at brands and the 1,000 way or 1,000 questions that people can ask, we want to have a little bit of abstraction and look at topics. So topic is just the next level where we will just look at the different ways to connect your product to your users. So for example, for Webflow, we might have some user looking for no-code development, expecting arriving on Webflow, but also maybe some people looking for website AEO, or even for website analytics tool with the website Webflow Analyze. So all of those topics that couldn't be mixed are gathering all the different questions that will be helping, for example, Webflow appearing in Answer Engine. And of course, for each of the topics, we have a set of prompts. So this is the heart of the app. And this is exactly what we are tracking. So as soon as you click on one of the prompts, you can even see how the question will be answered in ChatGPT, Claude, or Perplexity. And based on that, then we can look at the prompt and look at the result. We can look at how many times the brand has been mentioned over time, but also getting some insight with the competitors, with the top sources, and even go up to recommendation. I won't deep dive in that video. It will come up in the next video, but that will be actually the main benefit of the app. And of course, Answer Engine are working with websites. So for that, you also need to have a technical layer of, is my website accessible for all bots, but also is it optimized with schema markup, robots file, LLMS file, sitemap file, and so on. So this is where normally when you arrive on the app, the first thing we do is going to the technical, analyzing a website and starting there. So that's my recommendation. Even before going to settings, just go to the technical and run a scan on your website, and you will get already some information and you will know if you are ready to get in the AEO game as right now. So thank you so much for watching and good luck. As always, if you have any question, you can contact me. I think my email address will be around, and ask your question. Thank you.